What is going on, my YouTube family? Today it is a beautiful day outside, and it is already, wow, it is close to 4 o'clock or so. Today it was like cold all day and rainy. As you can tell, the grass is kind of like, it's kind of still wet, so can't really cut my grass or do anything like that. So I'm going to do a review on something that I got last week, and super excited about it, and I think you guys would too, because it is kind of a game changer. So I want to look at this here. So this is my wall of wheels. So everything that I have over here, this is mostly Danielle's stuff, and this is mostly my stuff. I have my green wheels, which I did not clean, so they're really dirty. I have my stock wheels, Evo 10 wheels. I have a set of my green wheels from Ivy over here. I have up there, those are my Evo 5, stock Evo 5 wheels. And I do have a set of, well, I have my spare Volk wheel up here. And then I have a set of these. I was gonna sell these, but I do have an STI on the side of the house, which I might just put these on. These are just like a set of Rotogrids, and they came out really good. I did them in like a sparkle silver kind of thing. But yeah, so I have this bad boy right here. It is a there's nothing to this box at all, but I'll show you guys something. So this is a tire storage stand with wheels. So I'm gonna unbox this bad boy and I'm gonna show you guys what's in it. I'm super excited. I actually saw it on TikTok and got super excited because they don't make stuff like this. Well, I mean, we don't make stuff like this. This is from China, or what? Actually, I don't even know where this is from. Nope, made in China. So yep, I was right. So everything is made in China. But let me get my stand up and let's get this thing rocking and rolling. So give me 1 second. I'll be right back. All right, so quick thing. Let's just open this bad boy up. See what we got. All right, so don't judge me for the color here. It is this crazy green. So you get a bunch of these bad boys. I'll show you what these things are for in a second. Again, don't judge me for the color. It's really like the only color that they kind of have. We don't need instructions because we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Give you tools, which is pretty cool. Then we have these like things here. See that? That's for these. It's for these like this here, right? All right. So let me put you guys on time lapse. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this bad boy together, and yeah, we'll figure this thing out, and I'll show you the end result. So let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, folks, so a couple things that you're really gonna need. Well, I mean, there are tools in here, but I grabbed a 5 Allen 3/4 inch socket. I grabbed my 3/4 inch ratchet here with a 14 millimeter chrome socket, and I have a 13 millimeter open end and box wrench. So these are gonna be the tools for you. And let's get this thing taken care of. Let's go. People, so now that the main structure is done, you have to make sure that these little Allen key nuts are at the top here. Not like I had a problem, but looks like it's pretty sturdy. You know, you put it on the ground. It's got 6 wheels, so it should be pretty good. Should be pretty good. So this is what I'm gonna do. So you get 2 of these beasts, right? So I'm guessing, well, this one has a top and this one doesn't. So this one will go down here like so. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go try and find, I have a set of wheels. Let me get these green wheels real quick and let me see how these things will go. Let me see these little bad boys here. You get 1, 2, 3. You get 4 of these. You get 4 of these. And then you get 4 of these hats. So these bad boys go into here like so, and then they're notched. Should go like that. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yes, should go like that. And these little hats here should go right over top and should be good like that. Now, I want to see how much space you have between here and there. And that's about 7.5 inches. 7.5 inches. So my wheels, all of my wheels are bigger than that, except for the Evo 5. All of it, that's 9. It's 9, 9.5, 8.5. I think Danielle's are 8.5s. So thankfully, you do have multiple spots here. You can just put this up like this to the next rung, and you can put it down like that. So what do we got here? So that is almost a foot. Almost a foot. So hopefully that'll be enough space. All right, let me go get a wheel. So we have these green wheels, and I want to put them like this. Wow. All right. I like that already. So let's see. Let's see if I can put this down at the bottom. See how this looks. Ooh. So that's looking good. I am gonna get another one. Let's see. Let me get another thing. Another rung. This here. And let's put this here. Let's see. Wow. Can I say that I'm kind of impressed already? All right. So this is what I'm going to do. Let me cut the video real quick. And I'm going to put all of these bad boys on and let's see how this thing looks. Ladies and gentlefolk, I'm kind of surprised here. I'm not even going to lie to you. I like this thing. So this is this thing all put together, this wheel stand, all put together. There's a gap right here in the middle, which is not that big of a deal. If you look at each tire that's not touching down at the bottom, obviously not in the middle, and at the top, it's not touching whatsoever. So this would be really good. Now, I know that these are 18 by 9 plus 30s, so it might be a little bit different for your setup. I do have another few wheels. I do have a set of 9.5s here. I might just try real quick. I might just take these off and put these green wheels on. So these are 18 by 9.5 plus 20s. So they're plus 20s, all 4 of them. And they have 245/40 18s on them, so not fat boys, but not skinnies, not skinnies. I think these are the same ones actually. To be honest with you, let's see. So yes, 245/40 18. So the same tire as that. That's a little stretch, obviously, because I had to fit it on this car, but not a big deal. This car I think runs a 245 as well, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Yep, 245/40 18. This is a 245/40 18. Now the GTR runs a whole different, well, not an animal, but something. These are 275/35 18s. So these are 10.5-inch wheels, where all the rest of my wheels are, these are 9.5, 10.5. So those ones there on the Evo 5 are 9.5 as well. The ones on the wall are 9.5. I do have a set of 10.5s, which I have not touched yet. Well, I'm not gonna say I haven't touched yet, but I do have a set of Working Motion Kais that I'm stripping, and I'll be powder coating for the GTR, because the GTR will be getting a new, well, not a new setup, obviously it's not a new setup, but different wheel setup I think for this year, as long as I can get tires. I do have something special coming tomorrow, and I'm gonna shoot a video. I don't know when I'm gonna release that video, because there's a lot of stuff that I need to do in order to get that thing prepped for what I want to do with it. But give me 1 minute. I'm gonna put my 9s, or I'm gonna stack my 9s over here in the corner, and then I'm gonna get my 9.5s that I have over there on the shelf, and see which one is, see if they fit. So give me 1 minute. Well, okay. So as you can tell, it's very hard to tell, but they are not touching. They are not touching. Obviously the center has got a big gap, and then the bottom, you can see they are not touching whatsoever. If you move them like crazy, they probably will touch, but it's not bad, not bad. So what I might just have to do is I might just have to cut a couple holes in here, down at the bottom. It's not touching whatsoever, the bottom. So clear. So these are 9.5s, so a little bit more width, but not too terrible. But yeah, like I said, I might just have to raise. So what I might just have to do is raise this one up a little bit, cut, you know, couple holes or whatever, on this one, and then lower this one just a hair, maybe like 1/2 inch or so, and then I'll be good. I'll tell you what a great investment. I will link the in the description below where I got this. I got this from Amazon, so it's really not that crazy. But like I said, I saw something like this on TikTok, and I looked at the one that was on TikTok, not that good. So I'm just gonna go with this one here. It had better reviews and stuff like that. So all I do know is that the one with the green at the very bottom is the better one. So there are going to be ones from like Eastwood and one from Jegs, and they do not support your big wheels. So like when I say big wheels, like 9.5 plus or whatever, this one actually looks like it does. Well, maybe they can if you cut your own holes, like I'll probably be doing. But yeah, I like this. I like this a lot, actually. So I think I recommend this. I recommend this any day of the week, especially if you're especially if you don't have a lot of space. So I took these wheels off from the top over here, and then I put these wheels on. So I'm not gonna take and move them all, because I need to actually find space, see what I'm gonna be doing. But let me show you guys real quick. So this is from the very bottom. Let me just see here. From the very bottom to the top here, it is about, I would say 51 inches, but we'll go 52 inches to be safe. So 52 inches from the ground. And then what do we have here? Oh, so I have plenty of space. Now how much is the width? Which is a width with my friend. Let's see. I'll probably say with the tire, depending on the tire size, I'll probably say 27, 28 inches. And 27, 28 inches would probably be, let's move this. So 27, 28 inches would be here. So I can probably fit, I might be able to fit two in here with three being tight. But I did have, well, I had 4 stacks in here, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. But leave your comments down in the comment section below. I like this thing here, I really do. I like this this tree. I need to find out where I'm gonna actually put space, because I can probably put it, I can honestly put it right up over here if I really wanted to. Yeah, we'll have to see, you know, like I have to see like how much space that I got. But it is a really good investment. I think it was like I said, 60 bucks or something like that, 70 bucks. And I got it. So like I said, I will link where I got this from in the description below, so that you guys can actually go look, buy, whatever the case is. I don't have an affiliate link, I don't have anything like that, but just go on Amazon, look it up. You know, if you have Prime, it'll probably be better for you. You get it in a couple days like I did. So it's really not that crazy. But if you like this type of content, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. All right? Deuces.